Hello and welcome to MasterDime. Today we'd like to go over the tools and settings, manage lead status fields. First of all, as an overview of this area, you'll notice the status of the leads that you can put in any chronological order by simply clicking these arrows, and will bring up that one status up the rankings. Now, you will notice here it says default type and customs, enable or disabled. And you can remove some of these. Some of them are defaults, and some of them you can remove right off the list. If you never choose them, you won't ever see the default values. Now, this will be the status of how the leads will go through your pipeline. Updesk, it's a new lead, it's a listing, and so forth. Some of these are not in the chronological sequence that should be in terms of a real estate transaction, but you can simply move these up and down. The way the lead statuses are used is by when you create a lead, you go to the Leads tab and simply click on Add New. When you click on Add New, you're going to enter in all the pertinent information for your client and check the statuses that you just created, whether it be Updesk, New, Listing, Bad Phone Number, Bogus, Canceled, and you simply click on Client. And in part of another video, it would be the source. It came from the Yellow Pages, and the type, it is a buyer, for example. And who was it assigned to? Did you assign it to Cindy Jones or to John Smith? Again, if you want to learn more about this page, simply click on the View Help file on how to enter in a lead. But the status section, you would choose the status. And when you click on Leads, you will notice that statuses will show here on the full lead view status where the leads are in your pipeline. But you can also see your pipeline flow by clicking on your Home tab, and in the lead summary, which is all customizable, it'll show how many leads are in the Updesk, how many are new, how many are in escrow, etc. The important thing about statuses is that the marketing campaigns are used to trigger off of that. So as it says trigger, where statuses are equal to escrow and where type equals the buyer, kick off this campaign. So it's an escrow campaign, for example. So you would simply click on Create New Campaign, and these are the statuses that you create, and to a prospect seller, for example, and whatever this campaign name was will kick off. So statuses are very important. So going back to the Tools and Settings section and go to Manage Lead Status field, you would simply click on Add Status field here. In this case, we'll write For Sale by Owner and simply click on Add Status Field For Sale by Owner. So it's a For Sale by Owner lead. You would simply click the lead itself, look for the status, For Sale by Owner, and hit Save. Now you can query your database through the Advanced field for all For Sale by Owners, and hit search to find all the clients that are for sale by owner. This concludes the video on the tools and settings, manage lead status fields, and how to put them in an order and enable and disable and remove.